Welcome back for another video. Today I'll teach you how to do the one arm push-up. Like with all new skills, this will take time, dedication and commitment to achieve the one arm push-up. And if you stay committed enough, you'll be able to achieve this within maybe 3 months. Say from just be able to doing push-ups, as everyone's different. So some people can take 6 months, some people can take a month somehow. But yeah, for me, I think I took around a couple months because I was doing pushing quite a lot because I do a lot of home workouts. However, I only started to do the one arm push-up, I trained for it, about 2-3 months ago now. So this will be split into 7 progressions, starting from the push-up and working your way up and up, harder and harder to the one arm push-up. Now, what you want to do with these progressions is to start off where you're most capable. So say if you're only confident on the push-ups, or say the diamond, or even the incline or whatnot, then I'd figure out where you can start off. So once you find where you're at, it's recommended to hit a minimum baseline. So say if you're on push-ups, you'd need to hit 15 push-ups to be able to move on to the next progression. That's only because it gives you the basic confidence and basic strength to move on and do the next exercise or the next progression. So I'll show you the clips of the progressions now and details about it during the clips. Hope you enjoy. Now you've seen the progressions needed to achieve the one arm push-up, but I'll say this again, it is recommended to hit the requirements of each progression, as you don't want to go into the next progression prematurely, otherwise you probably won't even be able to do the next stage. So I recommend you hit the basic amount of reps for each progression before you move on to. As I was just saying before I got interrupted, make sure you hit the requirements before moving on to the next progression. It is important to hit the requirements as it will allow you to go to the next stage pretty confidently and be able to do more reps. So these were the progressions that I used to be able to do the one arm push-up, and all I did was incorporate that certain progression. So say if I was able to do like the incline one arm push up or the diamond push up, then I'd incorporate that exercise and the other exercises into my push workout routine. So what I'm currently doing and was doing was the push, then core, then legs, then pull, and so on, but it changes as time goes on. Don't forget, I'm just an average fellow, so if I can do it, then any of you can do it. So if there are any video ideas you'd want me to do next, just comment down below and I'd be happy to make them. And as always, stay positive, keep pushing and set your goals.